Fiverr, Freelancer, and Upwork platforms are highly saturated with sellers. Today, I'm going to introduce your low competitive platform you can earn. It is FireSquid. In this video, I'm going to explain you about how to create an FireSquid account, what are the credits mentioned in this platform, how to create a service. Logos of Fiverr and FireSquid are so similar, but the Fiverr has a green theme color while this one has black theme color. Layout also very simple than Fiverr. We can do all the jobs performed in the Fiverr site in this platform too. Let's create an account. Just enter your email, a password, confirm your email. Okay, now let's create a service. Insert a title. What are the credits? Let's talk about them. What are the credits required seller actions? Need case to create a service and to respond to a request. To create a €5 service, it costs 1 credit, and for $10 service 2 credit, $20 service 3 credit, $50 service 4 credit, and to respond to a request 1 credit. To spend credits, we should earn them. Let's talk about how to earn them. You will receive 7 credits when you create an account. 1 credit for positive feedback from buyer, 50 credit for upgrading the account of pro seller, 5 bonus credit to all members' accounts except pro sellers. They will receive 10 bonus credits monthly. This categorization is somewhat difficult than Fiverr in this platform, as Fiverr algorithm choose matching categories for a job and we just have to select from them. They had a description. Introduction to buy is a new feature in this platform. In here, you can ask for specific details. Just add tags. Then days to deliver. Finally, click on the green color submit button. And now your service is not public because they're gonna review your service and publish later. And if there are corrections to make, they will inform you. Let's talk about payment system. You can receive your payments to your PayPal account. These platforms charge a commission from all your orders, like the other platforms. €5 service, you will get €4, and €10 service, it will be €8, €20 service, €17, €50 service, €45. For custom orders and add-ons, percentage commission of 10%, meaning that they will charge 20% commission for all orders between 5 and €15, 15% commission on orders between €20 and €45, 10% commission on orders between €50 and €300, 10% commission on all orders above €300, 10% commission on all custom orders of €300 and above. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay awesome, guys.